Sometimes the giant isn't a person. It's your fear, your doubt, your past. In ancient Israel, a young shepherd named David faced an impossible challenge. The armies of Israel cowered in fear for 40 days. Goliath of Gath stood 9 feet tall, covered in bronze armor, mocking the God of Israel. But David, bringing food to his brothers, heard the giant's challenge. While others saw an unbeatable giant, David saw an opportunity to honor God. The battle is the Lord's, David declared. He chose 5 smooth stones, not because he lacked faith, but because preparation honors God. 1 stone, 1 shot, 1 shot, 1 God. The giant fell, and Israel's victory was complete. Your giants may not carry spears, but they're just as real. Faith is stronger than fear. God uses the underestimated. Preparation matters. Your stone might be courage, skill, or simply taking the first step. You already have what it takes. Pick up your stone.